From a quadruped position, brace your core, position your spine in neutral, exhale and lift your opposite hand and foot off the ground without rotating your shoulders or hips. Then extend that arm and leg out without rotating the shoulders or hips and keeping your spine in neutral. Bring them back, hover, drop them, then exhale as you lift the opposite hand and foot once again without rotating the back of your shoulders and hips and without arching or rounding your lower back. Continue for the prescribed number of reps, focusing on keeping your core braced and keeping the back of your shoulders and hips parallel to the floor at all times. Also notice the back of the head stays in line with the spine. Keep that core braced at all times. Exhale to lift, inhale to bring the hands and feet back in. Don't arch your back at any point, and don't round your lower back.